Whoa.
I'm happy.
110 ah? 110. From there also okay one. From here also nice leh. Both also nice.
Right?
Front and back. Hello friends, another day, another video. So I actually just came back from a ride and it was a very chill ride. I went and ride with two Vespas. So yeah, it was a really slow ride and we just enjoyed the scenery to the max. And we went to like this one highway, which is one of the nice highway in Malaysia lah. So yeah, it was a very good ride. And just came back, had my shower, and I thought of, you know what, I need to wash my bike because it's filthy. The roads are wet and then there's a lot of sand, you know, and then, you know, my bike gets all super messed up. It was very dirty. And so since I'm gonna wash my bike to make it clean, might as well, I'm gonna just go ahead and install this mod that I bought like few months ago, but I have yet to install it. So let me show you what is it. Alright, so this is what it is. I bought the tail tidy, but it came with a whole bunch of stuff, you see. But I'm not gonna use this, so let's just put this aside. I'm just gonna use this plate, which cover, you know, the underside when you remove the tail itself, and then I'm just gonna cover it with this plate. And then the signal light is gonna, you know, go away because it's gonna be attached to this thing. Yeah, it's gonna be attaching to here. So there's no mounting point to attach a signal light. So I bought a few LEDs and 3D printed the brackets, and I'm gonna, you know, just stick it to there, which is gonna look sick as hell. So yeah, I'm gonna go and wash my bike, clean my bike, and then we're gonna proceed for the installation. Let's go. Alright, the bike is super clean now. Squeaky clean. Look at that exhaust. Woohoo! Clean. So what are we gonna do is we're gonna remove the tail tidy, and then also removing this rack. I know it's gonna be a little bit inconvenient if I wanna use a box, right? But at the moment, I really want to experience this bike without anything at the back. So yes, let's go. Alright, so the rack is out, the tail is out as well. Take a look at this. Oh wow. Dang. It's so sharp. Oh, I cannot resist. Alright, let's continue. Okay, I have to admit, this looks pretty damn sick. Look at that. Look at that, how sharp the tail is. It's like, oh my god, I don't know how to describe it, but this section, it stands alone, like super nice. It's like a weapon. Oh man. Wow. Yeah, right now I'm just gonna install this LED lights as a signal, and then I'm good to go. So I had a HLU failure error just now, and luckily I checked, the fuse was blown. I'm not too sure why, I'm gonna check it out. But now I've connected to one. Let's go to the second one. Right, it's all done, and you might not see it as well right now. This is the right signal and this is the left signal. Take a look at this. Haha. So tomorrow in the morning I'll show you the better picture, the clearer video. Hello friends, so this is a few days after riding it without a tail tidy. I have to admit that, look at that tail. It is sexy, sexy, sexy. I have to really admit it. All bikes are supposed to look like this. It's just, I don't know, it's just too beautiful. But there's one thing that you have to sacrifice when this bike is so beautiful. When you remove the tail, there's one major issue. So yesterday it was raining on my way back home, and you know lah, all the sand and all, it kicks up like crazy. Look at all this, and I've already wiped it off a lot. So yeah, it really kicks the sand up like insane, man. Even the back of my helmet, I still got a little bit of sand over there lah, yesterday, because yeah, without the tail, there's no mud guard, there's nothing to protect all the stuff that flings from the tire. Let me show you the signal, how it looks like. Okay, let me just warm up the bike lah, because I'm going to work now. Signal is invisible. Oh god, look at that beauty. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Yes, so as beautiful as it is, the thing that you need to sacrifice is, I think you're gonna get really dirty after after a rainy ride. Like really dirty, I'm not even kidding. So yes, you know what to do. If you like this video, press the like button, hit the subscribe button if you want to see more. There'll be more parts coming. I've already have it in my room for like a few months now. Same thing, I was on a shopping spree, and then yeah, I just keep buying things that I shouldn't be buying. So but I got no time to install it, no time to film a video to show you all the experience. So I just left it at the corner of the room lah for until like now. Maybe this weekend I can have some time and install it. It's just a simple mod, but it's gonna change the look a bit. Really nice one. I've been waiting. I can't wait to do these mods. But yeah, I still need to find time. Hopefully this weekend I can have some time and do the mods and show it to you all. You know what to do. Thanks for watching. I love this bike. Now it looks sexy as crazy. See you in the next video. Goodbye.